I remember the first time I came across this Nuwave Brio Plus 8QT air fryer. It was a crisp Saturday morning, and I was strolling through a bustling kitchenware store, seeking a solution to my ever-present desire for healthier, yet delicious meals. My old air fryer had just given up on me, and I was determined to find a worthy replacement. As I wandered through the aisles, my eyes were drawn to a sleek and modern appliance, boasting an immaculate white finish and an inviting digital touchscreen. The Nuwave Brio Plus 8QT air fryer, with its promise of improved design and enhanced features, seemed to call out to me. Little did I know, this moment would mark the beginning of a transformative journey in my culinary adventures. The first thing that struck me about the Nuwave Brio Plus was its sophisticated design. It wasn't just another kitchen gadget, it was a statement piece. The digital touchscreen controls were a significant upgrade from the analog buttons I was used to. The cool white display, with its large and easy-to-read letters and numbers, made the user experience seamless and futuristic. But it wasn't just about aesthetics. The Nuwave Brio Plus was designed with precision in mind. The ability to set cooking temperatures from 50 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in precise 5-degree increments was a game-changer. Unlike older models that regulated temperature by intermittently turning the heater on and off, the Brio Plus maintained a constant adjustment throughout the cooking process, ensuring even and consistent results. One of the first meals I attempted with the Nuwave Brio Plus was a batch of crispy chicken wings. Using the air fryer's powerful 4.5-inch convection fan and cyclonic convection circulation, the wings cooked to golden perfection in no time. The even heat distribution meant no more burnt edges or undercooked centers. And the best part? They were crispy without the need for excessive oil, making them a healthier alternative to traditional frying. Next, I decided to test its versatility by baking a batch of chocolate chip cookies. I was skeptical at first, could an air fryer bake as well as it fried? To my surprise, the cookies came out perfectly baked, with a delightful crunch on the outside and a soft, chewy center. The precise temperature control allowed me to experiment with different recipes, knowing I could make adjustments on the fly if needed. Safety is always a priority in my kitchen, and the Nuwave Brio Plus didn't disappoint. The cooking process automatically paused when the air fry basket was pulled out, and resumed once it was pushed back in. This feature not only provided peace of mind, but also ensured that I could check on my food without disrupting the cooking cycle. The redesigned air circulation riser fits securely, eliminating any chance of mishaps. Additionally, the PFAS-free ceramic non-stick coating on the cooking surface was a significant upgrade. Knowing that my food was being prepared on a surface free from harmful chemicals was incredibly reassuring. The Nuwave Brio Plus quickly became a staple in my kitchen. Its 8-quart capacity was perfect for preparing family-sized meals, whether it was a hearty breakfast of scrambled eggs and bacon or a quick dinner of roasted vegetables and grilled salmon. The 6 versatile cooking programs air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate meant that I could experiment with a variety of dishes with just one appliance. Cleaning up was a breeze. The easy-to-clean baskets and dishwasher-safe crisper plates made post-cooking cleanup simple and efficient. No more scrubbing and soaking for hours, a quick wipe or rinse, and the Brio Plus was ready for its next use. Looking back, the Nuwave Brio Plus 8QT air fryer has not only met but exceeded my expectations. It has revolutionized the way I approach cooking, allowing me to prepare healthier meals without compromising on taste. The ability to make adjustments on the fly has given me the confidence to experiment with new recipes and techniques, knowing that I have full control over the cooking process. The powerful convection fan and precise temperature control have consistently delivered exceptional results, whether I'm air frying, baking, roasting, or reheating. And the peace of mind that comes from using a PFAS-free, non-stick surface is invaluable. In conclusion, the Nuwave Brio Plus 8QT air fryer is a remarkable kitchen appliance that combines style, functionality, and innovation. Its sleek design and digital touchscreen controls make it a standout addition to any kitchen, while its versatile cooking programs and precise temperature control offer unparalleled performance. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook looking to make healthier meals, the Nuwave Brio Plus is an investment that will transform your culinary experience. It's more than just an air fryer, it's a gateway to a world of delicious, nutritious, and hassle-free cooking. So, if you're in the market for a new air fryer, I wholeheartedly recommend the Nuwave Brio Plus 8 QT air fryer. Trust me, your kitchen will never be the same again.